Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Panasonic beard trimmer. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's packaging like, what's quality like. This is model ER-GB42. It is a rechargeable beard and hair trimmer. Panasonic Corporation, it says Osaka, Japan, and then made in China. So go figure. Let's go ahead and open it and we will take a look at what all we get. So if you've ever been on Amazon, they have lots of different beard trimmers to pick from. Why did I go with this one? I've got this Panasonic electric razor that I bought 13 years ago and I still use it every day. It's still going strong. So I decided to spend a little bit more money and go with the name brand Panasonic versus some of the other brands that are out there. Not that the other brands wouldn't work well, but Panasonic's been good to me in the past, so that's what I'm going with. Instruction manual. There's also a warranty packet on the inside. One of the things I did like about this trimmer is the way it charges. It does not have a cord. Instead, it has a charging stand. So basically, you're going to simply plug this into your wall outlet, leave this sitting there, and then you'll set the trimmer on top of this, and it can charge without a cord. So I thought that was pretty cool. Keeps me from having to mess with wrapping a cord every day. Let's look at a couple of the gadgets they give us with it. Some lubricating oil, and then a little cleaning brush, which is pretty standard. You're going to get that with pretty much all of these. It is a wet-dry trimmer. Nice and light, so you've got a lot of different adjustments on here. I also wanted a trimmer that did not have the multiple heads. I just want to deal with one head. And it looks like in terms of size, you've got, not sure how well you'll be able to see that, 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeters. You've got 0.5 millimeter adjustments. All the way up to 10 millimeters. So 1 to 10 millimeters, and then anything in between at a 0.5 millimeter adjustment. If you're looking for 0.5 millimeter, you will not have that on here. I guess you could take the head off if you really want to just do like the rough look. Pretty simple. The head basically stays on. You can simply pull it off if you need to clean it. Slides back on. Power button in the middle. Nice and quiet. Let you look at the specs on the back. And there we go. There's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.